5 proven natural cures to boost your health, transform your life. Welcome to our channel, Health Alert Remedies. Today, we're excited to share with you 5 proven natural cures that can help boost your health and transform your life. Nature has given us countless remedies that have stood the test of time, and we're here to highlight some of the most effective ones. Let's dive in. First on our list is the amazing power of ginger. This humble root is not just a delicious addition to your meals but also a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Regular consumption of ginger can help reduce muscle pain, ease digestive issues, and may even improve your immune response. Adding fresh ginger to your smoothies, teas, or stir-fries is an easy way to incorporate this powerhouse into your daily diet. Next up is turmeric, often referred to as the golden spice. Its active ingredient, curcumin, is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties. Studies suggest that turmeric can help alleviate symptoms of arthritis, boost brain function, and support heart health. Try adding turmeric to your curries, soups, or even smoothies for a healthful boost. Our third remedy is honey, a natural sweetener that has been valued for its healing properties for centuries. Honey is packed with antioxidants and has antibacterial qualities that can soothe sore throats and promote healing. It can also be an excellent source of energy. Use it to sweeten your beverages or as a face mask for glowing skin. Number 4 on our list is the powerful garlic. This potent bulb is not only a favorite in the kitchen, but it is also known for its numerous health benefits. Garlic has been shown to improve heart health, lower blood pressure, and even boost your immune system. Incorporating fresh, crushed garlic into your meals can provide a tasty way to unlock these benefits. Last but not least, let's talk about the wonder of green tea. Rich in antioxidants, green tea supports metabolism and can enhance fat burning. It's also linked to improved brain function and may reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Sip on a warm cup of green tea daily to enjoy both its flavor and its incredible health benefits. We hope you found these natural remedies helpful and inspiring. Remember, embracing these simple yet powerful cures can significantly enhance your overall well-being. If you enjoyed this video and want more health tips, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to Health Alert Remedies for more exciting content that can help you lead a healthier life. Thank you for watching, and take care.